All right, so I want to talk about today's setup that I got stopped out by like 5 pips, and then it hit TP. All right, so overall, we knew that today's higher time frame target was this 4-hour supply right here. News pushed us up a bit, but didn't quite get us to the 4-hour supply. As you can see, we did take out all of these equal highs right here, grabbing liquidity. On the 5-minute, I noticed, well, actually on the 15-minute time frame, I noticed that this demand from London, once we tapped into it from the news retracement, we had a pullback. We did not create a higher high off of this pullback. All right, so we tapped into that 15-minute demand, pulled back. We failed to create a higher high. Another thing that I noticed, we were respecting 1-minute supplies to a T. As you can see, all these 1-minute supplies were being respected beautifully. All right, now where did I go wrong today? All right, it's all about the details, man. It's crazy. If you see here, this low that was created, that broke this low, it was created by this high right here. Okay, my entry was off of this 1-minute push that took out these lows. All right, I did have a 10 pip stop loss, and my stop loss was a little higher. But my fault, I would say, is that I didn't have my stop loss covering where the push started from. All right, so now, how could have I capitalized on this setup today? And no, I'm not forcing a trade or forcing a bias. You know, I was very confident in my setup, and I was actually looking for this void to be filled. And if anything, we'll get, you know, a nice reaction off of this 5-minute, 1-minute, and high day confluence. So where I went wrong and how I could have, you know, won this setup, man, you gotta go where the push started from. Like this, you know, this was a high volume area, but this is your entry right here. Okay, 8 pip stop loss would have been perfect. Would have smacked TP. But this is what we consider a M1 order block with no confirmation needed entry. All right, we do have you know, targets below, and we do have relatively equal lows as well.